Like this show and want to make your own? Let me tell you about Anchor. It's free. There's creation tools that allow you to record and edit your podcast right from your phone or computer. Now you can even add any song from Spotify directly to your episode. The possibilities are endless for what you can create, whether it's music analysis, your own radio show, or something the world's never heard before. Anchor will distribute your podcast for you so it can be heard on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and many more. You can make money from your podcast with no minimum listenership. It's everything you need to make a podcast in one place. Download the free app or go to anchor.fm to get started. Hello, you're listening to Got Clutter, Get Organized, the podcast that focuses on helping you create space to attract more money, love, and happiness in your life. I am your host, Janet M. Taylor. I want to say hello if you're a regular listener, and welcome if you're listening for the very first time. I hope you're having a great week. If you enjoy listening to this podcast, please leave a review so I can continue bringing you episodes each week. In this episode, I will be sharing a few home organizing tips which you may have heard as a regular listener that you can implement either now or in the new year. I will also be sharing my product suggestion, app suggestion, repurpose suggestion, my book suggestion for this week. And my question for you this week is, what area in your home did you organize in 2021? Was it a drawer? Was it a closet? Was it a room? So now on to some facts and statistics. 3.1% of the world's children live in America, but they own 40% of the toys consumed globally. The average American throws away 65 pounds of clothes per year. Also, we consume twice as many material goods today as we did 50 years ago. Americans spend $1.2 trillion annually on non-essential goods, in other words, items they do not need, and $8 billion is spent on home organizing products. So just some little information, just as an FYI. Now I want to share with you 10 tips that you may have already heard that will help you organize your home. And I feel these are really good tips to start with and to also just kind of keep up with. Put incoming mail in a basket or decorative box. Place your keys either in a dish or on a hook. This is the entrance. Moving on to the living room. Maybe you want to place all those remote controls in a container or a basket, and then also maybe just put a few batteries in there as well so you don't have to go looking for them. In your kitchen, toss expired food items, and also as you use items, keep a running list on or near the refrigerator. And if you come across items that you thought you would like that you haven't opened or used, donate them. In the bedroom, clear the dresser of items you no longer use or want, like perfume, makeup, jewelry, those receipts you just dropped there. In your closet, create room in your closet by placing items you come across that you no longer wear in a donation bag. In the bathroom, toss all expired items in the medicine cabinet and also all those items you used once and you never used again. In your basement and your attic, toss the boxes the products came in that you don't intend on returning. And in your garage, toss the junk, the old toys, anything broken that you don't intend to repair, and your paperwork. Recycle old catalogs and manuals to equipment you no longer own. So hopefully those 10 tips will help you now think of some areas you can hit, or also in the new year. Now let's move on to Taylor's tip time. Keeping your home organized. Number 1, schedule time weekly to recycle. Here where I live, we have a weekly recycling day. So, if you don't have one, create your own, even if you're in a complex. At least once a week on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday, you're going to get rid of everything that needs to be recycled. Schedule time weekly to do laundry in its entirety. so you don't have those piles accumulating around your home. And in this entirety, you wash, you take them out of the wash, you put them in the dry, you take them out to dry, out of the dryer, you fold them, you put them away. Put things away. So when you take out something, maybe you take out some scissors out of a drawer, you put it back. You wear your coat, you hang it up. You wear the shoes, you put them away. Toss regularly. So when you come across things, toss it. That you know you're not going to use one, toss it or donate it. And always celebrate when you complete a project. Take a picture. You can always post it if you feel comfortable on social media and tag me so that I can see it and I can give you a thumbs up, a hand clap, and just celebrate you. Are you ready to live an organized life? Have you been working on getting organized and feel that you need someone to guide you from start to finish by providing you with the details needed to clear the clutter and get organized? Let's talk so I can share how you can get back on track and get organized with my virtual sessions. Go to my contact page and schedule a 15-minute session. We offer a variety of virtual coaching plans to meet your needs. So you can call, we talk about 15 minutes, you let me know what's going on. I'll give you a couple of strategies, and sometimes, majority of the time people can take those strategies and run, but also you may need some more in-depth sessions. So just give me, schedule an appointment with me. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, like you can't manage work, your business, your life, let me help you. I work with clients so they can manage their time to get things done without feeling stressed or burned out. Create a life so you can have time to do all that you want to do without feeling overwhelmed. Click the link in the show page for details. Well, of course, I want to thank you for following me on social media, for your likes, your retweets, for your sharing. Please continue to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, as well as Instagram, Janet the Organizer. And of course, follow me on Pinterest. And I have boards on home organizing, bathroom, kitchen, and a lot more. And of course, follow me on YouTube as well and subscribe. If you're thinking of getting your life organized, don't get overwhelmed. Join my Facebook group, Living Life Totally Organized. It's a community of women supporting each other on their journey to living a life that is totally organized, and it's free. So join today. So, do you know what time it is? I can hear you from the north to south, the east and the west. You're chanting. It's Toss It Tuesday time. So, this Toss It Tuesday, I want you to toss the boxes to items you will not be returning. So recycle, toss, whatever. Just come on, let's move all this stuff out of my house. My app suggestion for this week is Cozy. It's a simple family organizer. You can do appointments, grocery lists, schedules, chores, and so much more. I want you to check out for my product suggestion this week, check out my Amazon shop because I've got all kind of organizing products. I've got books, for organizing, and I've also got things to organize your life, your pets, your holiday decorations, and so much more. And of course, my repurpose suggestion for this week is if there is a piece as an item that's very sentimental, my suggestion to you this week is to repurpose it and add it to the decor of your home. For example, you've heard me, the traveling trunk that my mother used to use is now become a coffee table for storage. So that's something. The tray, these glass trays she used to have for sandwiches are now on my dresser for nice little perfume bottles. Also, there's a tin can which is it's still beautiful and has vibrant colors in it. I use it and I put all my pearls in there. So there's so many ways you can repurpose it. And if you have a way that you've already done or will do, please tag me in social media. That's Twitter, that's Facebook, as well as Instagram. My book selection for this week is The Complete Book on Home Organizing. And of course, my quote for this week is, never organize what you can declutter. Again, never organize what you can declutter. Because when I share with people on how to tackle those organizing projects, is sometimes you need to just go in and you just need to categorize stuff. Categorize the clothes, categorize the paperwork, categorize the miscellaneous stuff in categories. Then go in and start really purging. Just purge stuff, get rid of stuff. Because 80% of the stuff we keep, we never reference again. So get rid of as much stuff as you can and then organize. So I want to thank you for listening, and be sure to share this podcast with your family, your friends, and on your social media network. And again, let me know you enjoy listening to this podcast by leaving a review, and be sure to visit me on my website at www.janetmtaylor.com. And until next time, I want you to have a clutter-free day. Organization is a quintessential element of a clutter-free life. Join me as we take this journey together. Along the way, we will find the necessary answers to your organizing dilemmas. My name is Janet M. Taylor, and you are listening to Got Clutter, Get Organized.